how to navigate forward and backward in Chrome on your Android device. For that, you have to watch this video till the end. First of all, launch your Chrome app. Once you have launched your Chrome app, and here you have been on one of the website, and you can tap on the back arrow icon here. So here you can see the back arrow icon. You can just go for that, and you will be on the new tab or the anything that you want here, so which will take you to the previous page. So if you have gone to the previous page and you want to move forward again, you have to tap on the three dot menu, which is all located on the top right corner of the screen. And here you can see the recent tab. Here just go for the recent tab, and here you will find your all history, and you can navigate forward or backward here like this. You can just see that here. You can see that after tapping on the backward option, it will take you to the previous page. If you go for the slowful activity, you will navigate to the page here like this. So here you can see that you can use the gesture and history menu like this to come backward and forward on your Chrome by using your Android device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.